Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to invert camera on iPhone. So first thing is you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, over here, just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see over here camera. Go ahead and select that. And here, just simply go ahead and scroll down and look for composition. Now, as you can see here on the composition category, you should be able to see mirror front camera. So from here, you can just simply turn it on to invert your camera. And of course, when you go to your camera, it will be inverted if you turn it on over here. And you will have other options as well, like grade, level, and view outside the frame. And pretty much you will have other options as well from here. Pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, guys. And thanks for watching. See ya.